In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove scary pop-ups coming from the site cleanyourpcnow.com. Cleanyourpcnow.com is a deceptive site that may attack the majority of popular browsers today, including Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and other browsers. Clean Your PC Now claims that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. It tells you some other frustrating messages that try to make you think that your system is horribly damaged. If you click on this proceed button, you would be redirected to some other junk site that may promote a totally different software. So the real purpose of these pop-ups is to trick you into downloading some junk and potentially unwanted programs. Don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Don't trust them. My recommendation is that you thoroughly check your system with the reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose, and you may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. This is crucial because your computer may be infected by some hidden malware. Of course, you could carefully check the control panel in a regular manner, trying to uninstall any suspicious programs. But the point is that very often visually the computer is free of threats. However, inside there may be some malware concealed. So Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect such malware and to remove it effectively, even if it is hidden. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.